Alright, we're going to do some shoots of some BB guns today. This is my mini-me. And before we go, I kind of want you to wear these glasses instead of those ones. You can still see. The reason why, I don't want you to be like that kid in the Christmas movie story, where he breaks his new glasses with a hole through it. And we're gonna shoot at a target from 7 yards, and we also got this Sig Sauer P226 airsoft gun. We'll shoot that. This gun's the Buck, Daisy Buck. I got Daisy zinc plated BBs in there, and then Sig Sauer P226 .12 gram BBs. Maybe we'll have a contest to see who shoots better. Alright, distance shooting is about 7 yards or 21 feet. Let's see what you can do on that target there. You can try the BB gun. See if you can hit that guy. Right in the middle. Looks like you got it right in the 9 ring. It's a little bit low below the orange. Oh, that one's touched the lead. Just keep shooting at it. You don't have to see where you're hitting. What you really want to focus on is lining up the sights, but don't focus too much on the target. If you focus too much on the target, sometimes you're not focusing on the sights enough and you'll be off. Just focus on the sights more than aim. Make the target look kind of blurry, but make the sights look very sharp. When you get comfortable, try to get the gun right in your shoulder. That's how you have to do it on a real gun, or else it will kick and hit your face. When you get comfortable, put the butt of the gun right there. See if you can work your way into shooting it that way. Takes a little getting used to putting it there, but that's going to work good once you go up to a gun that kicks a little bit. You should see where you're hitting now. Alright. Let's go up and see where you're hitting.
That one right in the brain.
You shot in the head. I didn't know you were going for headshots.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. That's a good shot. I don't think I could do that myself. And we got all right here. These are all before I told you how to shoot, and then I told you advice, and then you started going off. So I think your natural way of doing it was probably a little bit better. What do you think? Want to try to shoot that pistol or the BB gun more? Nope, that's not loaded. Alright, put your BB gun glasses on again. Should be able to tell where you're hitting because these holes are a little bigger than this one. I didn't rack it back yet. I saw that one. Out of ammo. I want to take a look at this target. What are you trying to do? Embarrass me? This is better than when I shoot my real guns. You had them all in here. You put more through there, there. One there. There. I can't even. I'm gonna turn this video off. I can't do this. You're just making me look. You're making me look bad. Making me look bad.
Can I kill this one?
Alright. What are you shooting at now? Trying to shoot the head or the body? Just shoot it in the head.
Yeah.
There's a big hole right through the tape where it's hanging up. That's what that sound was. You hit the plastic tape. You gonna shoot him in the head with that now? Remember what I said about your thumb there? You're taking the center out. You're about to blow a hole right through it. Again. What are you doing to it? Now there's a big hole. You gonna take out the rest of it with that BB gun? Let me shoot that gun. Got a big hole right through the center.
Got another one.
Right to the center. Alright, look at that. You took out the center. You shot exactly the same with a handgun as you did a rifle. I almost thought that was a spot. This is a bug. You didn't even have any flyers. You know, flyer is something that's, you'll see one way over here, way over there for no reason. No, you hit all within a tight patterns everywhere that you shot. which most people can't do that, especially when they don't shoot very much. So let's go down and see what we can do this mud. I'm gonna shoot somewhere in the water, and then you shoot where I shot, okay? Alright. Your gun ready. I'll shoot first, I'll shoot in the water, and then you shoot. Shoot the same spot after I shoot it. Here we go. That was close. That was really close. Let me do it again. Do a little bit further. Here we go. Whoops, let me try it again. That was close again. Alright. How about way over here? Like this. Oh, right above it. Let's try it again. Whoop, that was far. See, honestly, you shoot way over there, that water. Oh, I can't even hit it from here.
You shoot where I shoot now.
Okay, I'll shoot where you shoot. But don't go too far, because this gun won't shoot far. I almost hit the same spot.
Yeah.
I got one BB left. Same spot, wasn't it? Oh yeah! I'm out of amber. Now what? Ready to go see if our Memorial Day grilled food is ready yet?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Thanks for watching.